Okay, here it is. I finished making the box. I decorated it and put some layering pieces. I didn't put anything on the side because at the bottom because no one's gonna see. And it stands upright just like this. It's so cute. Die cut. This goes from foam and put paper on top. Spider web. I'm trying to find like a spider sticker just to put a little spider on there. Some stars. Maybe I want more of these white ones on this side, and some alpha stickers. And then the back, I added all the strips that are going to be in here. So let's do that now. So what do I have here? You're fabulous. We'll go there. Ghostly greetings are here. Trick or treat is there. So happy Halloween is there. Trick or treat. You get the drift. You get the gist. I just put that in. So every time I go to die cut these strips, if I need more like orange color, I mean yellow or blue, I will just go and cut them and then just use these containers. I mean use this storage. Box to store all the things, all the strips in here. I have a Christmas one, so that one when I need to die cut some of them, I will do that. And I'll also do it for the general one. There is one that's just general, has happy birthday or everyday generic greeting. So I'll also make those. I don't know how many, but I think that one's going to be a bit more sentiments. So it's going to be like longer, or it's going to be like, I think it has about 15 sentiments or 20, I don't know. I feel like it's longer, so it's going to be long. Oh, it was hard. It was so hard, but yeah, I think this is enough. Maybe that one I'll just do 10 back to back. Actually, wait. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see how much strips that is. 2, 4. Oh, this is the Christmas one. So there's a Christmas big one and there's a Christmas small one. Goodness me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I think 18 or 20 pieces. Let's see. Yeah, here is there's a friendship one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And there's also a crafty one too. Oh, this is birthday. Oh no, this is generic. And some of the strips are longer, so no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to have to figure out another way, because 20 of this is 10. So 18 will be like that long. And my head hurts thinking of the measurements already. So no, this is, I think I'm going to do these for the smaller sets, not the bigger sets. And the bigger sets I'm probably going to find something else. But this was just a fun project for me to figure out how to do. And I really like it. Also, my husband told me that when I first showed my husband, he was like, is that a pen holder? And I can do that. I can use it to hold like little tools. Oops. Then it's very like, don't want to put too heavy things. But yeah, look at that. Let me see, scissors. It's cute. It's really cute. Right? Well, obviously it wouldn't say boost strips, it would say something else. But yeah. Paper organizer for strips. Or pens or pencils or anything. I'm gonna go and finish this and tidy it up because I am tired.